Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious deviled eggs using an easy method. We'll start by perfectly cooking our eggs. Begin with 6 to 8 large eggs, placing them in a single layer in a saucepan. Cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes to ensure they are perfectly cooked. Once your eggs have finished cooking, it's time to prepare them for the next step. Immediately transfer the hot eggs into an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Let them chill for at least 5 minutes. Gently tap and roll each egg to crack the shell all around. Then, peel them under cool running water. Finally, carefully slice each peeled egg in half lengthwise. Now for the heart of our deviled eggs, the creamy filling. Carefully scoop out all the bright yellow yolks from the egg white halves and place them into a small bowl. Use a fork to mash the yolks thoroughly until they are completely smooth. Next, add about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise for that rich, creamy texture. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick, and season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. With our delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble these beauties. You can either spoon the yolk mixture back into the egg white halves or use a piping bag for a more elegant presentation. For a classic finish, sprinkle a little paprika over each deviled egg. A touch of fresh chopped chives also adds a lovely pop of color and flavor. Arrange them neatly on a serving platter and chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your easy, homemade deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.